Have you ever pulled your carrots from the fridge only to find them soft, bendy, or even a little slimy? And it's always when you're craving that perfect snap for a healthy snack or a vibrant salad. It's frustrating, right? What if your carrots can actually stay fresh, firm, and crunchy for a month and even longer? Stick around for the next few minutes, because I will let you in on how to store whole carrots, peeled carrots, and even diced or sliced carrots. I'll also reveal the one fridge mistake that turns your beautiful, vibrant carrots bitter and rubbery, and exactly how to fix it. Let's get into it. The first thing to do when you bring your carrots home is to take off the green tops if they still have them. Those leafy greens constantly suck moisture and nutrients right out of the carrot root, even after the carrot has been harvested. So grab a sharp scissors or knife and trim those greens off, getting as close to the crown of the carrot as you can without damaging the root itself. Can you tell me where you are watching me from? It's amazing that we can connect from all over the world through food and science. Drop your country or city in the comments. I'd love to see where everyone's tuning in from. The second thing is, please resist the wash. Do not wash your carrots yet. Carrot skin comes with a thin layer of protective jacket. It acts as a natural barrier, helping to seal in moisture and protect the carrot from external elements and spoilage. Washing them prematurely can remove this protective layer, making them more vulnerable to drying out and decay. You should only wash them right before you're about to eat or prepare them. If they are dirty, gently brush the dirt off. Be selective with the carrots you store. If you notice any with bruises or small cuts, keep those separate and make sure to use them first. Damaged carrots spoil faster and can speed up decay in the rest. Now, grab your storage vessel. A simple zip-top bag works wonderfully here, or even a reusable produce bag. Place your carrots in the bag. Before you seal that bag, toss in a folded paper towel. It's your secret weapon against any moisture that will build up in the bag. Where you put that bag of carrots in your fridge makes a huge difference. Place them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. The crisper drawer is specifically designed to create an environment that helps prolong the freshness of fruits and vegetables by controlling humidity levels. If you notice the paper towel getting really damp after a week or two, simply swap it out for a fresh, dry one. If your household keeps fruits like avocados, apples, bananas, or even tomatoes in the fridge, please make sure you keep them far away from your carrots. These fruits release a natural plant hormone called ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. But when carrots are exposed to ethylene, they don't just ripen, they spoil. The gas triggers a chemical reaction that makes carrots soft, dull in color, and gives them that strange bitter or soapy flavor. So the single most important rule for long-lasting carrots is to keep them away from ethylene-producing fruits. Even a little exposure can age your carrots faster than you think. Now, let's talk about how to store peeled carrots. Once you remove that natural protective skin, carrots lose moisture much faster, and that's when they start to shrivel and soften. So the goal here is simple. It is to keep them hydrated. Grab a mason jar or any airtight container and place your washed, peeled carrots inside. While you're doing that, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you're enjoying it so far. I share simple, science-backed food storage tips every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. After, fill the jar with cool, filtered water, making sure all the carrots are fully submerged. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator. The water acts as a moisture barrier. It keeps the carrots crisp, firm, and fresh. But here's the key. Change the water every 2 to 3 days. This prevents cloudiness, slows bacterial growth, and keeps your carrots tasting like they were just peeled. Now, let's talk about those who like their carrots prepped for convenience. There's a fantastic trick for pre-cut carrots. though keep in mind, their shelf life will naturally be shorter than whole ones. Start by washing, peeling, and slicing your carrots into sticks, coins, or any shape you prefer. Next, grab an airtight container or mason jar. Line the bottom with a damp paper towel, then pack in your carrot sticks. Once they're in, wrap the damp towel gently around them before sealing the container tightly with the lid. Store it in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This method keeps your carrots crisp and ready for lunchboxes, salads, or quick healthy snacks. No last-minute chopping required. And there you have it. If this little deep dive into carrot science just saved a bag of perfectly good carrots from ending up in the trash, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more super practical, real-world kitchen hacks like this one. And if you're feeling extra awesome, drop a carrot emoji in the comments below to let me know you're here. I love seeing who's watching and where you're tuning in from. We've got more smart storage hacks and food science tips coming your way every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.